Have you ever wondered about the biological family of chickens and their close relatives? Our feathered friends, the chickens, belong to a vibrant and diverse group known as the Fasianai family. This family is a treasure trove of fascinating species, from the regal peacock to the elusive jungle fowl. And at the heart of it all is the domestic chicken, a bird that has been part of human history for thousands of years. In this exploration, we're going to delve into the intriguing life of the domestic chicken, a creature that you might think you know, but there's more than meets the eye. We'll also introduce you to some of their close relatives, each with their unique characteristics and lifestyles. So sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown by the amazing world of chickens and their kin. Let's dive into the fascinating world of chickens and their relatives. Chickens belong to the Fasianai family, a diverse group with some surprises. This family is a veritable cornucopia of bird species, ranging from the humble chicken to the glamorous peacock. And while chickens may be the most familiar member, they're certainly not the only birds worth talking about in the Fasianai clan. Take turkeys, for instance. These big birds are part of the Fasianai family too, and they're full of surprises. Did you know that wild turkeys can fly at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour? That's right, those Thanksgiving centerpieces have quite a bit of speed under their feathers. Then of course we have pheasants. Often associated with royalty and hunting, pheasants are known for their brilliant plumage and long ornamental tails. Male pheasants, or cocks, are particularly eye-catching, sporting vivid colors and patterns that make them stand out in the bird world. And let's not forget about quails. These small, plump birds are a favorite among birdwatchers and hunters alike. Despite their size, quails are known for their hardiness and their ability to adapt to a variety of environments. Now, if we're talking about showstoppers in the Fasianai family, we can't leave out peacocks. With their extravagant tail feathers and iridescent colors, peacocks are truly the epitome of avian elegance. But did you know that it's only the males that are so brightly colored? Female peacocks, or peahens, are rather drab in comparison, with mostly brown and gray feathers. The Fasianai family is quite a mixed bag, isn't it? From the flashy peacock to the unassuming quail, each member has its own unique charms and characteristics. And while chickens may not have the flamboyance of a peacock or the speed of a turkey, they have their own special place in the family. And you thought chickens were the only interesting ones in the family, didn't you? Now let's focus on the star of our show, the domestic chicken. These feathered friends are more than just barnyard staples. They're fascinating creatures with unique traits that set them apart from other members of the Fasianai family. First, let's talk about social behavior. Chickens are highly social animals. They live in well-structured groups known as flocks, where every bird knows its place. This is called the pecking order. It's a hierarchical system where each chicken knows who it can peck and who can peck it. The chicken at the top of the pecking order gets the first pick of food, nesting sites, and mates. This pecking order is established early in life, and it helps maintain peace and order within the flock. Moving on, let's delve into their communication methods. Chickens use a complex system of vocalizations to communicate with each other. They have more than 30 different types of calls to express a range of emotions and warnings. From alerting others about the presence of a predator to calling out for a missing member of the flock, their communication system is quite intricate. Let's not forget their amazing memory. Chickens can recognize and remember more than 100 different faces, not just of other chickens, but of humans too. They form strong emotional bonds with their flock and human caretakers, showing a level of empathy that's quite remarkable for a bird. In addition, domestic chickens have a keen sense of time. They know when it's time to roost and when it's time to start their day. They even have an internal clock that tells them when to start and stop laying eggs. Lastly, let's touch on their problem-solving skills. Chickens are intelligent creatures. They can solve problems, learn from observation, and even demonstrate self-control, traits that were once thought to be uniquely human. Domestic chickens, always surprising us with their complex social structures and behaviors. Their intelligence, coupled with their social nature and remarkable communication skills, make them a captivating focus of study and a beloved member of many households and farms across the globe. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a chicken looks like? Let's dive into the intriguing world of our feathery friends and their daily routines from dawn to dusk. Chickens are busy birds, and their day typically starts with the sun. As soon as the first light breaks, they're up and about, ready to embrace the day. Their primary activity is foraging. Chickens are natural explorers, spending the majority of their day scratching the ground and pecking at it, searching for delicious morsels. They are omnivores, which means they eat a variety of foods, including seeds, insects, and even small rodents or lizards. But it's not all work for our feathered friends. Chickens are also big fans of dust bathing. This might seem a bit odd to us, but for chickens, it's a vital part of their grooming routine. By rolling around and flapping in the dust, they're able to remove parasites and keep their feathers in prime condition. As the day starts to wind down, chickens begin to think about roosting. They are creatures of habit and like to roost in the same place each night. Often, this is a raised platform or perch, which provides them with a sense of security from potential predators. Now let's talk about chicken love. The mating process is quite unique. The rooster performs a dance known as tidbitting, making food calls and moving his head up and down while picking up and dropping a piece of food. This is his way of showing off to the hens. If a hen is impressed, she'll crouch down, allowing the rooster to mount her. After mating, hens lay their eggs in a nest. The process of brooding, or sitting on the eggs to incubate them, begins. During this period, the mother hen turns the eggs several times a day and rarely leaves the nest. After about 3 weeks, the eggs hatch into cute little chicks. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating daily life of a chicken. From foraging and dust bathing to roosting, mating, and brooding, these creatures lead surprisingly complex and active lives. Now that we've gotten to know the chicken, let's meet its close relatives. It's always fascinating to explore the family tree, and the chickens is no exception. Close relatives of the chicken include some very interesting characters, such as the red jungle fowl. Originating from Southeast Asia, this bird is considered the primary progenitor of the domestic chicken. That's right, your backyard hen shares a family history with this wild, vibrant bird. Red junglefowl males are particularly striking, with their flaming red and gold plumage, a glossy dark green tail, and a white fluff of feathers at the base. Females, on the other hand, are more modestly dressed in shades of brown. Just like our domestic chickens, red junglefowl are ground dwellers, but they're also skilled tree climbers and roost high up in the branches at night. But the family doesn't stop there. Let's think bigger, like the green peafowl, another close relative of the chicken. Native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, these birds are known for their extravagant tail feathers, which they fan out in a spectacular display of courtship. The green peafowl is a testament to the diversity and beauty within the chicken's family tree. Then there's the golden pheasant, a native of China's mountainous regions. This bird is a visual treat with its golden crest, crimson body, and multicolored wings. It's a shy bird, preferring to hide in dense forests, but its brilliant colors make it stand out. These close relatives share many characteristics with the chicken, such as social behavior, ground-dwelling habits, and diet preferences. However, they also have their unique traits, whether it's the red junglefowl tree-roosting tendencies, the green peafowl's spectacular tail display, or the golden pheasant's vibrant colors. So, as we can see, the chicken's family is a diverse bunch, each with their own quirks and charms. They remind us that even in nature, families are a blend of similarities and differences, an amalgamation of unique characteristics that make each member special. Just like in any family, each member has its own unique characteristics and charm. So, we've taken quite the journey through the Fasianai family, haven't we? We've discovered the intricate web of relationships that unite the domestic chicken with its close relatives, and we've delved into the fascinating family life of these feathered creatures. We've seen that the Fasianai family is a rich tapestry of diversity, from the flamboyant peacock to the humble quail. Each species, with its unique characteristics and behaviors, contributes to the vibrant tableau of this avian family. Our exploration also shone a spotlight on the domestic chicken, revealing the complexity of its family structure and the intricacies of its daily life. It's clear that these birds, often overlooked in their simplicity, lead lives that are anything but mundane. So the next time you encounter a chicken, remember the vast, interconnected family it represents. Next time you see a chicken, remember, it's not just a bird, it's part of a fascinating and diverse biological family. Thanks for joining us on this feathery adventure.